Do you want to know how you can use the Timebucks Surveys app to boost your earnings on Timebucks? Then this video is for you. My name is Michael from paidfromservice.com, and I have used Timebucks itself for several years now, and recently also launched a survey app. And if you use this correctly, you can actually use it to boost your earnings. And in this video I will show you how to use it, and I will also go over the advantages of it and also the limitations of it, so you will find out if it is the right option for you or not. So let me just start by saying that this is not a full Timebucks review. I have that somewhere else here on my channel, and I will leave a link to that in the top corner here, and there I will also show you payment proof. This video is instead an extra tip about the Timebucks Surveys apps particularly, and how to use it to boost your earnings. So you can download the Timebucks Surveys app through Google Play, but you need a Timebucks account before you can actually then start earning on it. So when you first download the app, you will then be asked for a Connect code or Timebucks Connect code, and then when you put that in there, then it will connect to your Timebucks account. So let me just show you where to find that, because that can be a little bit confusing. So I have now logged into Timebucks, and then you need to go to the settings and then choose your profile, and then scroll all the way to the bottom. And I'm just moving myself out of the way here, and then right down here you can see your Timebucks Connect code is, and then you can see a number. So once you have downloaded the app and you press to start it will ask for this code, and this is where you find the code. And once you put it in there, then you will be able to start taking surveys through the Timebucks Surveys app. And I will now pull that up on the screen here and show you how that works. So I now have the Timebucks Surveys app up here on the screen, as you can see, and it is very basic. There is not a lot of things going on here. You can just start tab research surveys. So I just click here basically, and then it will load the available surveys through the survey router called Tab Research. And here I will then have quite a lot of different surveys, and I can see exactly how much I will earn and also approximately how long it will take. And if I scroll, you can see there's quite a few surveys I can choose from, and I can just keep going down here. So there are plenty of surveys to actually take here. So there are plenty of surveys I can potentially take through the app here. And the advantage of that is, of course, that some surveys they fill up quickly and you can easily get access to it. Or if you are out and about, or if you're just sitting chilling somewhere and you just have your phone with you, you can quickly pull it up there and easily take a survey there and earn some extra cash. But you just need to be aware that the only service you can take through the app at the moment of recording this video is the tab research. That is a specific type of surveys, a specific survey router. You cannot necessarily find those surveys inside Timebucks itself. So as a way to earn extra by taking surveys on Timebucks, it can definitely be worth actually getting the app. But you should also be aware that there are actually a lot more surveys you can take if you log into Timebucks itself. If I scroll down here, you can see all the different providers of surveys and all the different options I have to take surveys here. So clearly the survey app Timebucks has gives fewer options there, but as an addition to earn extra and to get easy access to some of the surveys, it can be a great way to boost your earnings. But you should not necessarily rely only on the survey app at the moment, because it only has the tab research surveys. So I hope this video has helped you understand exactly how Timebucks Surveys app works, and both the advantages and the limitations of it, and also in particular how to actually set it up with the Timebucks Connect code, because that can be a little bit confusing when you first launch the app. So if this video helped you, then hit the like button, and also if you want to learn even more about Timebucks, then I have a full review both here on my channel but also on my website, and I will leave a link below this video here so you can go there to check that out. And finally, if you are not yet a subscriber, make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell so you won't miss out next time I release a video with tips and tricks about how to get the most out of get paid to sites, paid service sites, and other free ways to earn some extra cash on the site online.